G, and I'm going to be going over this problem. So the problem asks us to simplify the algebraic expression by combining the like or similar terms. So right away when we look at this, we know that this 4a is not a like term with the 1/3 and 1/4. So these two are just numbers, and this is 4a, so that has a variable in there. So we're going to group together 1/3 plus 1/4. So we'll put those next to each other, because in addition, it doesn't matter if I were to say 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. It's the same answer. So I'm just putting the 1/4 and adding that to the 1/3, and then tacking the 4a on at the end. Okay, so now I have fractions that have different denominators. So when we think about that, 1/3 is a third. If we think of a circle, a third of it, and here 1/4 is just this smaller portion of the circle. So it wouldn't really make sense for we have to, what we have to do is break these up into more pieces. We can't just add these the way they are. So what it is legal for us to do is we can multiply any number by 1 and it doesn't change the value. So I want to have the same denominator, or the same number of pieces, in both of these fractions. So I know I can get there by multiplying 1/3 by 4/4, and this is the same as multiplying by 1, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. It just breaks this up into more pieces. That's all I'm doing. And I'm doing the same thing with the 1/4. I'm going to multiply by 3/3 so that I get the same denominator in for both of these fractions. So I take my 1/3 and I multiply it by 4/4, and all I do is I multiply 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 4 is 12, and then I do the same, something similar with the other 1/4. I need to also cut it up into 12 pieces, so 1/4 times 3/3, and I just multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. And I wish I could draw these very well, but I am not good at the circles and drawing it. But you can always draw it for yourself and see what that looks like. So now they're the same size pieces, and we can add those together. So we have 4/12 plus 3/12, and we just we'll have 7/12. So the number of pieces don't change in the denominator, just on the top, because 4 plus 3 is 7. But this is how many pieces there are all together. There are 12 total. Just like here for the 1/4, there are 4 total pieces, and then it's just 1/4, so one of those 4 pieces. So then we have our 7/12, and then plus 4a, and there you have it. That would be your answer. We've combined the like terms. Hope this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions or need my help with anything. Thanks so much. Have a great day.